Consider the pattern 5, 8, 11, 14, etc. These numbers are going up by threes. The variable f represents the figure number. Figure 1 contains the number 5, and figure 2 contains number 8, and so on. Find the equation n equals af plus b, where n represents the number at a particular figure number. So the number is equals to the slope, which is 3, what it's going up by, 3f, the figure number, plus 2. How do we know the number is 2? Consider figure number 1. 3 times 1 is 3, but how do we go from a 3 to a 5? We need to add 2. So we now have the pattern. When we have figure number 2, 2 times 3 is 6, plus 2 is 8. We can see that this formula is working. We're used to y's and x's, y equals 3x plus 2, but this also works for the figure number and the number of items. Find the 100th number. We have the formula above. We simply substitute f equals 100. 3 times 100 is 300, plus 2 is 302.